Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable touch and hold to edit lock screen in this device. If we go to the lock screen, press and hold the lock screen. Now we can easily edit the lock screen. We can change the wallpaper, we can change the clock style, we can edit the widget, we can also edit or change, customize this shortcut also from the lock screen itself. Otherwise, we can edit the lock screen from the settings. So let me show you how to enable or disable the touch and hold to edit lock screen. For this, go to settings. Here you can see the option lock screen and AOD. Tap on this one. So here you can see the option touch and hold to edit. Now this is enabled. If you don't want to this one, that means if you disable this one, turn off this one. If you go to the lock screen, if you press and hold, you can see nothing will happen. So simply in this way we can enable or disable the touch and hold to edit the lock screen in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.